A few videos ago I decided to rip out the roof. Why? It was leaking and I needed to investigate where exactly the leak was coming from. And it has taken me a few months to decide on what I was going to actually be doing with the roof. So I popped into Bunnings and I got the guy to help cut some 3mm laminated ply, and I'm going to see if this is going to work. My fingers. Oh. My measurements were like pretty exact. I'm pretty impressed with myself. I've literally left maybe 2-3 mil each side. Really happy with the new roof, but I just feel so lazy. I really like the roof. I don't know if you can see it, but I like that it's white. It's just brightened this up just a little bit. I did buy some white paint. I thought about like painting like maybe the bedroom area white, but leaving the kitchen a wood color or something. I don't know. It's just like owning a home. You're always thinking about renovating and what you can do to improve it. Okay, I've got to get up. I actually do this every morning. I pack up the sink before I've brushed my teeth. I don't know why I do it. Got into the habit, I think. So I don't have a tap, and I purposely didn't do that because I knew that I would be staying in the city quite a lot. And when you turn on and off the pump for the water, it actually makes a fair bit of noise. So when I'm actually in the city, I try not to let people know that I'm actually in here. So I try to not make too much noise, limit the noise. So I pretty much have the blueies that you just buy from Bunnings for, I don't know, 20 bucks each. But I filter all my water because I get it from so many different places. And this is fine. It just sits in the sink, and I've never had a problem with it. This particular one I've had for 2 years. The whole time I've been in the van, I've never bought a new jug, and I just replace the filter every month. Just fits in here, and I put that in so it doesn't make too much noise. Soap. I don't have any soap. I just use shampoo. Easy. Oh my god. I've been looking for these glasses everywhere, thinking I left them on site and I'll never see them again. They're in my bag the whole time. So that was a quick workout. That was like a 40-minute workout, but it's fun. A lot of people, this is one of the biggest questions people ask. Where do you shower? There is actually a lot of places that you can shower, and the gym is just one of them for a hot shower. In the summertime, I shower along the beach, so anywhere in Perth along the beach, there is all of those what do you call them? Toilet, shower, wash off areas. I just shower there. There's also truck stops with hot showers. Some of them even have washing machines and dryers that you can use. Some of them you can walk into. Other ones you do have to ask for a key. You can shower at a caravan park. You can pull up and you can ask them to use the shower and the laundry, and they generally charge you anywhere between $5 for a shower, and you can go and use the laundry. So there's just so many options. Family, I've got family here. If I'm really don't want to go to a truck stop or the gym or anything, or maybe I'm not well or something, I'll go to my son's place and shower there, or a friend's place. And if I'm out bush, I'll have to show you how I do that. I do have a shower in here, but it does make a bit of a mess in the van. Wash my hair out in the bush, like it just plugs into a 12-volt you know, cigarette lighter thing, and I can still just wash my hair. So many options out there. So if you're ever wondering where you can shower, just, you know, start looking at places now where you can shower, because there is so many, so many. So I have to go do a bit of shopping, go to the bank, the usual stuff, usual daily stuff that you do if you're in a house. Living in a van has its own challenges, just like you would be living in a house. Except I've chosen this lifestyle. I've chosen to be living debt-free, so I can spend my money where I want to spend it. And that's on me. And I get the opportunity and the time to just enjoy every little thing that's around me.